Hey guys, welcome to the ACH Automotive channel. Just doing a little bit of our 1997 Ford Mustang Supercoupe Swap update here. You can see we have the heads installed on our 3.8 Supercoupe motor. I've got a video coming probably early next week with the parts we used, how we did it, etc., and the procedures used to put them on the block. We've got a couple of things we've got to still do here. My garage is kind of cluttered. We have a Felpro rear main seal that I've got to put in the block. Just kind of working on what parts we have here to get this back together. The next thing we'll be working on is getting our, let's take a walk around the F-150, which I'll have to show you guys someday. Before we can get the gas tank back in the car, we have to get under here with a wire wheel of some sort, and hopefully I can show you the camera. Hopefully the phone will pick up on it. But you can see younger me put some spray paint on the underside here, thinking I was protecting it. And overall, it's really not that bad. We have a couple of spots here that are pretty rough that we'll have to wire wheel and then probably etch with some Por 15. I think it's like the acid that you put on beforehand. I've got to look, and there's a couple of spots over on this side here that at some point we will have. You can see these aren't really too bad, but there's a little bit of rust right there that we'll have to work on, either taking the bumper off and making a patch for. And I can probably do that once the gas tank is in. I don't think that'll hold me up from putting the gas tank in. And then we've got to get up there all wire wheeled and painted up with some Por 15 so it looks much better. And you can see that I've got the fuel lines, hopefully hard to see under the car. I've got the fuel lines from Classic Tube installed on the bottom of the car here. They're just hanging out. I've got special clamps and stuff we'll put in. We'll do another video on those. So we've got to get from basically here forward taken care of so that we can get the gas tank in and put up the harness and everything for it. And on this side over here, hold on, I gotta move my light. This is probably the worst part of the rust that we'll have to fix. I don't think any of it's through yet, but it's pretty scaly. I don't remember it being like this, but the car has sat for a while, so it is you know, at least it's inside at this point. But we'll get it treated. We're also going to get some of the, I think it's Eastwood that makes it, maybe Por makes it, but there's special paint that you can shoot inside the frame rails here to keep those from corroding, and we will take care of that as well. The only thing that I'm not doing back here right now is the rear axle. We're going to leave that in the car the way it sits for the moment, just because I'm not sure what I want to put back here. I've looked at IRS, I've looked at an 8.8 with a panhard bar, not really sure yet, so we will get to that point shortly. So hopefully, we crawl out from under my car here. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an update on our Supercoupe Swap here that, you know, I am working on it, and it's going to take some time. This car is pretty much completely taken apart. It just, you know, it was one of those projects that I got heavily involved into, and you can see, you know, I did clean out some of my parts and stuff, so we have a clear trunk here. It was a project I got heavily involved into when I was younger, and we'll say stupider, and I want to see it finished, so we're going to work on getting that up and running here. I would love to hear the car run maybe by the end of the summer. That's my goal, is to hear it run, so we'll see if we can obtain that goal. So hopefully you like these quick little update videos. I'm trying to do some update videos in between putting out the actual how-to videos, just to, you know, kind of show you what I'm working on as I'm working on it. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe below, turn on your post notifications, leave me a comment if there's something you want to see on the car or know about the car. Happy to share it with you.